Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Ben with Propeller Pete's. Today, I gotta tell you about an engine I've been troubleshooting for a long time. So it's a 2020 Yamaha 300 XSB. Um, it's it originally had a trim motor that the whole thing was rusted off top, and let me show you kind of what I've been going through. And this took me a long time to figure out. So what I did was it would trim down, but it wouldn't trim up. So this is the relay here that is a reverse polarity, so that ties into the trim motor itself. Behind here is also another relay. This first relay that's about right here where my finger is, it controls the whole motor. So I checked that one. I actually bought another relay for this, thinking that it was that. And then in the book, it tells you that you're to check the continuity of this wiring harness from this piece here on the green line, the blue line, and then also behind here, there's another panel that you pull off that I could pull off if need be, but you pull this panel off, and then also the ECM. So on the top one, there was pin 113, which is the top one, and the next one down is pin 112. That's your output for the trim and tilt up and down. The input, which is this bottom one, which is pin 54, the third one in, third one in, bottom row, and that's pin 55, and pin 54 is second row, second pin in. You had to take continuity on that as well. Everything checked out with continuity, with the relay and the switch. I did check the up and down switch. So then, after checking all that, validating that this computer is actually good with another motor, good known motor, I did some more research, and came across the trim sensor, or the trim angle sensor is what Yamaha calls it. So with that, where that is, let me trim the motor up, and I'll tell you. Well, let me show you the wiring first. So the wiring goes right here. This four pin connector, but one's blanked off, so it's 3 wires, 4 square piece. This goes down to that sensor, which, let me disconnect so I can actually get the motor to trim up. So with this now disconnected, I can trim this up and down. Let me show you the sensor here, where it's located. So on this motor specifically, this is the sensor. It's located right here. That's actually what had went bad. With it connected in, which I'll connect right back in. All right, now that you see it's connected, with that connected back in, I am not going to be able to it stops, and then it'll get there. It's gonna give you a false hope, and see, now I cannot trim up. I can continue to trim down, but no trim up. As soon as I disconnect that wire there, now I can trim back up. So what I'll do is I'll let the customer know we got to change that sensor, change it out, and yeah, should be good to go. All right, if you guys could like the video or follow, subscribe to the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. If you want service done by myself, and you're in Southeast Georgia, Northeast Florida, just send me a message and we'll set something up. Have a good one.